Lana, Ibarra.
What day is it today? It is Upgrade Bot's construction day.
Yay!
Bronze.
Bronze is such a weird metal.
Yes.
Victory.
The human didn't die.
Well, we're only in the bronze tier. Let's warm up with some spear bots.
There is also lava.
What an exciting temperature change. Upgrade Bot is such a pro.
Maybe we should let it choose upgrades all the time?
Victory.
Look at the tough little human.
It's easy to look up in bronze. Spear bots on pillars.
What is the point?
They're just showing off.
Defeat.
The human got defeated by a bronze level.
It's okay, the warming up was for us, not the human.
America, Becker.
Will the human reach level 20?
Yes, Upgrade Bot is good at choosing upgrades.
I agree. This should be easy.
Bronze.
Will the human reach silver?
I hope so.
Defeat.
Unexpected.
Death comes suddenly, in the danger zone.
Dorothea, Church.
This is maybe my favorite challenge.
Mine too.
I love seeing Upgrade Bot happy. Hooray!
Bronze difficulty.
Not too difficult.
It gets worse.
Victory.
Nailed it.
Not bad. Time for a nice vacation.
Hee hee hee.
This island is a nice place to die.
Quite nice. Another upgrade snaps into place.
Upgrade Bot is the best. It was okay.
And now, time for the tunnel.
Of death.
On fire.
Victory.
Hooray! The human won a bronze level.
The reward is that we don't erase its mind.
Not yet.
I love armor on with robots. It really brings out the glow in their eyes.
Clone created.
I wish Upgrade Bot would upgrade me.
Maybe once all the humans have died.
Yay!
What?
Upgrade Bot is playing a long game.
I guess we'll see.
Silver.
Yes.
Silver difficulty.
Victory.
Hooray.
The further the human gets, the more spectacular its death.
Yes, let's keep watching. Death Q 2.1.
Hammer Edition.
Boom.
Victory.
Good. I hope this human gets to the diamond tier.
You just want to see Spidertron 6000.
Yes.
And now, Archer's hiding among the pillars.
A deadly dance.
Clone created.
Keep going, Upgrade Bot.
You can do it.
Don't you dare die, human.
Upgrade Bot is very happy right now.